Morning, everyone. It's 8:35 on Monday morning, and this is your pre-opening call. It is video number 1518. Asia and Europe both mixed to slightly lower. Uh, China, in particular, and the Chinese stocks look a little more on the weak side. Um, Fed meeting this Tuesday and Wednesday. Announcement at 2 o'clock. Press conference at 2:30 on Wednesday. Lots of news on Twitter, but some of it is contradictory. It generally deals with layoffs and their timing. Is Musk trying to avoid giving employees payouts, which actually get funded tomorrow? So we'll have to see. The stock obviously is doing nothing because it can't. Win has a 6.1% activist position, and the stock is that activist is Tillman Fertitta, who owns a basketball team, I think, as well as Landry's and a bunch of other uh, food-based businesses. Um, you know, he used to be on every Tuesday, Tillman Tuesday. He was the whiniest billionaire I have ever heard. This morning, Emerson up just 7 cents, selling its climate business to Blackstone, and Emerson also reported a beat in line on revenues and okay guidance. The COVID issues in China are hurting the oil, and it's down about $1.50. And Apple is talking about, with Foxconn, are talking about the closures in China, possibly taking a 30% cut off production there. Meta is 97.96, down another $1.34. This stock just cannot rally. Today would be the end of the 3-day rule, but it's only $1.50 off the lows with that huge sell-off on the numbers. Speaking of numbers, the Dow was down 120 at 8 o'clock, 150 a few minutes ago, now 180. Uh, NASDAQ down about 70, and the S&P down about 19. And the 2 and 10 is moving to the worst. It ended the week last week with about a 38% negative number. It's currently 44. We have seen this as high as about 50 or 51, but it's certainly not pulling back. As I mentioned, the oil down about $1.75. All of the grains are substantially higher, almost 16 cents a bushel at 6.96 for the corn. The wheat is up 48 cents. This is all about the Russia cutting off deliveries that came out of the Black Sea. Gold down 360, silver down a nickel. Uh, Copper may be getting awfully close to an area that I would initiate a trade, but more specifically because I'd have a very close stop uh, with these higher lows. I mean, it's coming into an apex here, and it'll be hard to see where it's really going to go if economically things are as tough as they seem to be. Of course, unless you listen to the Biden administration's, everything is rainbows and butterflies. Um, in the softs, we have the coffee bouncing up $6, cotton a little bit lower, lumber not open yet. S&P, as I said, down about 20, 73 in the NASDAQ, and 162 here, but there's uh, a couple of dollars of fair value. It's now down 184 on that metric. Dollar is higher, bonds are down a half a point, Bitcoin and Ethereum higher. All right, everyone, be careful out there. This is a bear market rally until, it proves that it's not. And I would expect a